nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning. Alright, now let's do this exercise number 1. Read the paragraph, then pick out the words that are wrongly used. Words that are wrongly used in this paragraph are mice, because it should be mouse since the paragraph is referring to one mouse only. Next is the word gooses and mouses, because of the word several, which means more than one or plural. And the plural form of the word goose is geese and not gooses. And the word mouse should be mice and not mouses. Therefore, the word used should be geese and mice. Also, the word cattles. Cattles is misspelled. It should be cattle without s at the end of the word. Cattle can only be used in the plural and not in singular, so there should be no s. Next is the word feet. The sentence is referring to the left foot, which is singular. The word used should be foot and not feet. Now, let's do this exercise number 2. Read the short verse and figure out the nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning. A visit to the hospital. It is sad to see the patients, young and old, in their beds. Children with mumps and measles, malnourished kids with rickets, the not so old with sinusitis and diabetes, the very old with colitis, phlebitis, and arthritis. How blessed we are not in their places. Pray to God we don't break into pieces. And now, let's check your understanding. What is the verse all about? Who are mentioned in the verse? What messages, insights are expressed by the verse? That's right. Be thankful to God for our health, because health is wealth. So, these are the words or nouns that we get from the short verse, a visit to the hospital. Now for exercise number 3, identify which of the following nouns that are plural in form. The nouns that are plural in form in this set of words are patients, beds, kids, places, and pieces. If you get 5 correct answers, you did a good job. These are the other nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning. Physics, moms, billiards, diabetes, politics, molasses, Philippines, measles, United States, civics, Wales, gallows, news, arthritis, aerobics, statistics, United Arab Emirates, and Honduras. These words are plural in form but singular in meaning. Now, let's do this exercise number 4. Read the sentences and identify the nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning. Number 1. Measles is a contagious disease. Second sentence, the Philippines abounds natural resources. Number 3, politics causes tension. For sentence number 1, the word or noun that is plural in form but singular in meaning is measles. Therefore, it uses the singular linking verb is, since the word measles is singular. For sentence number 2, the noun that is plural in form but singular in meaning is Philippines. That is why it goes with the S form of the verb abounds. Remember, if the noun or subject is singular, it uses the S form of verb. For sentence number 3, the noun that is plural in form but singular in meaning is politics. Since politics is singular, that is why it goes with the S form of the verb, which is causes. Remember, if the noun is singular or subject is singular, it should use or uses with the S form of verb. Now, let's do the exercise number 5. Fill in the blank the correct noun to make the sentence correct. Use the nouns in the box. Alright, let's check your answer. For sentence number 1, the correct answer is news. The news spreads fast. For sentence number 2, the correct answer is United States, and it uses the singular linking verb is. The United States is a powerful country. For sentence number 3, the correct answer is billiards, and it uses the singular linking verb is since the word billiards is singular, and the sentence billiards is fun to play. Let's now have the fourth sentence. The correct answer is aerobics, and it uses the S form of verb helps because the word aerobics is singular. And the sentence goes, aerobics helps us physically fit. For the fifth and final sentence, the correct answer is arthritis, and it uses the singular linking verb is, since the word arthritis is singular, and the sentence, arthritis is common among the aging people. If you get 4 to 5 correct answer, I would like to commend you for the job well done. If you get 3 and below, do your best for the next activity. Remember, irregular special nouns are always plural in form but singular in meaning. Irregular special nouns use S form of verbs. Now, let's assess your understanding of our lesson. Read its sentence. Choose the correct form of verb in the parentheses. Sentence number 1. Conjunctivitis is are caused by a kind of virus. Sentence 2. Mathematics deals with numbers. Number 3. Rickets is are common among malnourished children. Number 4. The United States have military bases in different parts of the world. Fifth and final sentence, statistics shows that our population continues to rise. And here's the correct answer for sentence number 1. Conjunctivitis is caused by a kind of virus. Sentence number 2. Mathematics deals with numbers. Number 3. Rickets is common among malnourished children. For sentence number 4, the United States has military bases in the different parts of the world. Fifth and final sentence, statistics shows that our population continues to rise. And now, let's have the final exercise. Encircle the appropriate verb form to complete its sentence. Number 1. Home economics. Interests most young girls. Number 2. Civics deals with study of the government and citizenship. Third sentence. News reaches people fast through the various media. Fourth sentence. Molasses are sweet and sticky. Fifth sentence, gymnastics attracts young people. And here's the correct answer for sentence 1. Home economics interests most young girls. Sentence 2. Civics deals with study of the government and citizenship. Third sentence. News reaches people fast through the various media. Fourth sentence. Molasses is sweet and sticky. Fifth sentence. Gymnastics attracts young people. If you get 5 or perfect answer, you did a good job. If you get 4 and below, you may watch again this video for your full understanding. God bless you. Goodbye.